Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can renew your New York driver's license online. In order to do so, here we are at ny.gov/services/renew-driver-license. And here you will find information on renewing your driver's license. In order to renew, you will need the 9-digit DMV ID number from your driver license, the last 4 digits of your social security number, a vision test result submitted online by a vision test provider or a completed MV619, and a credit card or pinless debit card. Head there to this site and then click on Renew, and you can begin the process of renewing your driver's license online. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.